What's good with y'all? What's good? We tuned in for another video. See, we got a pretty day. It's going down. It was raining earlier today. But today, man, y'all see we got the LED light installed. Kind of laid back video, whatever, but I've been wanting to show y'all this because some people be asking questions on, you know, how you do LEDs and all that. And I got an install coming for big meats too, because I ordered, I got LED coming, so I'm going to show you how to do that on a 4 headlight car. A lot of people probably know, some people probably don't know, but you know. Anyway, you know, this is European, what they call a European front end. For ones that don't know, it's just one headlight, more modern style. They went to these in the 87. They introduced these in 87 box Chevys. 86 and under, they 4 headlight. And 86 box Chevy actually my favorite front end. It's a 4 headlight, but I like it because it got the Caprice emblem embedded in the grill right here. My favorite. That was my first box Chevy. Nah, it wasn't my first. Yes, it was. 86 was the first box Chevy I ever owned. I owned 2 of them. I done owned, let me think. I want to give y'all the right number. Cause I love box Chevys, man. Besides the Grand National, a box Chevy is my favorite car. And I done owned more box Chevys than anything. And let me think. I had a gold one. I had the black one that got stole. I had a cream color one no one saw. I pretty much used for part. It could have been driven though. It was nice. I had big meats. Dolo. Had a clean half vinyl Broham. I had another half vinyl. I had another 86. AC and everything on it. I had another 86. No, 87. 86. And that's 9. I'm trying to make sure I don't leave nothing out. That I can remember, I had 9 box Chevys. I done owned 9 box Chevys that I can remember, man. I love them. But anyway, I'm probably not done. But yep, this what we got going on today. I already took these out. Now you got the LEDs. You know these European front ends. They got the bulbs. They just screw out, so it's not a hard install. You just turn them to the left, and then they'll release. Then you know your high beams, man, I'll do that in a minute. But your high beams right here, your inside bulbs, your high beam, this your low beam. So these the LED. I like this brand. It's 2 brands I like in particular. And you know, I run them the same 2 brands in all the cars. But NAO, I like NAO LEDs and Ox beam. So this what I got. You can get these on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description for these bulbs. Now all you gotta do, these the bulbs that you need for European front ends. Find out what bulb your car uses before you order, and then just select that bulb or whatever. Now these right here keep your lights from flickering. It just goes in between the bulb plug into this plug into did I say that right? I don't know. Bulb plug into one end though, and then the other end plug into the harness from the car. So these keep your lights from flickering basically. I think they plug your harness plug into this, and then this goes into the bulb. But like I said, or vice versa. But anyway, these keep your light from flickering. I put the link to this too. I bought all this from Amazon, and I put the link to this. Not guaranteed your lights going to flicker, but if they do, it's better safe than sorry. I went and got these. Now I normally I didn't have to run these. I done had well, not LEDs. This my first time running LEDs in old school. Back when I had big meats, I ran HIDs. There's a difference. HIDs when you used to have to use the old ballast, them big ballast box, then the ballast burn out and all that, man. LED is a better headlight. It's a better headlight, in my opinion. And in some stuff, there are some facts, in some ways they are better. But anyway, so this is what we got. They got a fan on them. One on low beams, one on high beam. I can't remember which. I think it's a 9. I know it's a 9005 and 9006. Yeah, so them the bulbs you need. 9006. You need a 9006 and a 9005 if you want to run the high and low beam. And no, my bad. Hold on. 2 9006s. So they the same bulb, same socket, same connector. So it's 2 9006s. So with this front end, I don't know. Now they cut the lights off. But anyway, you can run either or. But I got two 9006 basically. That's the bulb you need. And this the bulbs right here. They come with a fan on them, like most LEDs do. I ain't taking it all out, cause I don't want to miss it. They come with a fan on them, and they basically plug and play, man. I mean, so I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna get them out, then I'm gonna show y'all the connection. All right, so I got the high beam side out. Like I said, the bulb just screw out. That's the old bulb right there. So it's simple, y'all. Like, for real, it's real simple. If you somebody feel like you can't do it, don't pay nobody for this, man. Please do not pay nobody for this. Bulb, just turn it left. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Turn left, it'll come out. So you turn left, the bulb, and you can pull the bulb straight out. Unplug your connector, and that's it. And okay, on the box, it got in. It say in and out right there. I know you can see it good. It say out. The outside you plug into the LED bulb. Now these things do have polarity, so they can plug in either way, but you have to, if it don't come on, just unplug it and flip it and then plug it in the other way, and it'll work. So then that end plugs to the harness, then the light can come on. So I'm plugging in first. I always check it, hit the headlight switch to make sure it come on before I go to screwing it back in there and all that to make sure the polarity right. So y'all, let me plug it up and then we're gonna see what it looking like. All right, so got it hooked up, got the polarity right first try. I turn the switch on, you hear the fan running, all that, and bright light. So about to turn that off. There we go. So now you know that one right. You just pop it in, just turn it, put it in there. You know you got the bigger side, make sure the pattern right. You see one side bigger, then you stick it in there the right way, and just turn it to the turn it to the right, tighten it back in. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna check back in. All right, so we're checking in. I'm just showing y'all the difference, the side by side comparison, while I got one in and one regular. So you see, it make your front look a whole lot better too, a whole lot better, man. It help you can see better at night and all of that. So I'm gonna get that side switched out, and then we're gonna see what the whole front look like with the light. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all see, this why I check them, especially on this side, cause you got the battery right here. The polarity, that's why I told y'all they got polarity. I got it all hooked up, but it ain't on. So I need to reverse it. So let me show y'all what I mean. Let me take the camera off there. That's why I said check these things first. I don't know if y'all can see. Let me see. So they gotta be reversed. Cause you be done put this back together, and then these things ain't hooked up right. See, look at that. And you have to go all back and do all that junk. So I always check them. Alright, so see, got it wrapped up. So now we got the LEDs in the front. I got a shortage over here. It plugged up right, so it wasn't, the polarity was right. And they got a positive and negative on it too, so you can see what go well on the plug. But it's a shortage. I remember, man, when me and Rick was sorting through the wiring, we found a loose wire over here, so that probably got something to do with it. But y'all see, we in there now. Got them LED. So I probably eventually go LEDs all the way around right here too. But like I said, if you want this stuff, man, the link is in the description. If you want it, you just go down below. You know what I'm saying? Just choose the bulb you need or whatever, and you know, just look it up. Just look it up for your car. Just look it up for your car before you buy them and all of that. It's a simple process and all of that stuff. Like I said, it's plug and play. You don't have to have those I can't remember the exact name for them, but I'm gonna put the link for them in the description too, that keep the light from flickering. It's not guaranteed it'll do it, but like I said, better safe than sorry. I went ahead and bought them, but I never had a problem with lights flickering on none of the vehicles or whatever. Even with this, I probably wouldn't have had a problem, but like I said, better safe than sorry. Now with Meach, I ordered the LED for Meach. I didn't get those plugs or whatever those. So we gonna see. You gonna see the difference or whatever. So meat's gonna be plug and play. The bulb's gonna plug straight into the harness. But you know, on the 4 headlight cars, you gotta change the actual lens. So that's why I said y'all gonna wanna check that out, cause we're gonna have to take all 4 headlights out and then put the bulbs in and all of that. So yeah, it's a real short video, man, but I want to show y'all the install or whatever. It's simple. So I try to share everything with y'all or whatnot. So you know, you can you want the bulbs, you can get that hooked up and all that, and it shows way better at night. It's 10 times better, man, than a halogen headlight. And you know, you got to have them LEDs. So eventually I'm probably gonna end up doing them all the way through. But yep, that's it, man. That's the end of the video. Said it wasn't the most action packed, but it was something, you know, give y'all something to watch or whatever. Keep y'all up to date with everything. So yep, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. Catch y'all on that video. I'm out.